Got a new set of fine line brushes for detailed work. Let's try them out.
So you might have seen our fine line brushes. They come in this cute wrap, but you might not know that they can be used with all mediums. You can use them with watercolor, with acrylic, with gouache, with oils, with all mediums. There are 12, and they are different types and size brushes. The hairs are Japanese synthetic, and they mimic that of the squirrel brushes and the Kaliski staple brushes, which are the best brushes, but you get this for less. And this is where I like to keep mine, to have easy access of them. And my favorites are the wiggy brushes, because I like to do all these small lines, and this helps me to be precise. And anyway, yeah, if you're painting details like crazy, and yeah, also small scale paintings, I think this will be a lifesaver for you.